Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Recruit CRM, and this is the best AI powered CRM for recruitment. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards onto this platform. So CRM is something really a big hassle. You can see you need different type of platforms for different candidates to simply manage them, interview them, and much more, whatever you would like to do. But this is an all-in-all platform for each and everything that you are going to be doing. If you check this out, you will be able to get an idea. If you want to import a candidate, import companies and contacts, you want to recruit CRM Chrome extension, that is available as well. If you want to connect email account, on the left side of your screen you will be able to see the candidates that you are going to be recruiting or adding in here. So this is currently a sample added. You can download his resume. After a couple of seconds it will be downloaded, so you can see how nicely it is added in here. And let's just close this. You can see his phone number, you can see each and every detail in here nicely. So amazing. In your companies you will be able to see a company and you can even get to know about its full address, website, open jobs. So everything that you simply populate in here will be nicely organized. Amazing in my opinion. So one of the best and most recommended platform that I would recommend to you guys. So you can see you have your contacts and similarly jobs. Of course, you're going to be assigning different jobs to different candidates, your mailbox and tasks and meetings. So you can even manage that and add a meeting. So now if you head back to the main dashboard, you can even see, if you scroll a little bit down, you can see the candidate pipeline by jobs. So much more to offer and the possibilities are literally endless. Make sure to give it a try. One of the best platform out there for CRM system. If you are still for some reason unsure about the platform, you can see how good the pros and the cons are almost close to none. The platform offers really nice interface, of course, so it is highlighted in different reviews sites. You can go through all of these details and check out for yourself for more in-depth study about the platform. So something I highly recommend, as said already. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, and it is obviously rated by Forbes as well, as you can see in here. So you can get your extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.